I love it when females talk nasty. Like a nigga ain't about that shit. I get nasty than a motherfucker. That's the truth. And then you get them. They ain't talking that shit no more. I put it down for real though.
I get the stick and the moving, she gets the jerking and pulling. She bend over, I'm hitting it from the back. She making the booty clap, she look back, she know what I'm doing. Going ham on that ass, pulling up on her hair, facing the pillow, she coming up for air. Bitch, I'm a beast like a dog off the leash. So you better beware, I can't cuff her though. Only thing these bitches want is want the dough. These niggas want from the suck it slow. Only thing I really want is a blunt of dro, nigga, fuck a hoe. But I see her get naked, her leg gets to shaking, she screaming, I'm banging, I'm digging it deep. Her body vibrating, I put her to sleep. My dick is amazing, I know that you like that. Lick here and bite that, suck here and fuck that, grind here and bump that. I'm near, I'm busting, you take it, you love it. Now lick it and rub it, kiss it and hug it. Round two, it ain't nothing, the first one's for fun, the second's for pleasure. Who else do it better? Who else get it wetter? Who gon' hit with that much pressure? Who else gon' go that measure? This pound game is no joke. Once I'm in there ain't no hope. My dick more addictive than dope. I hit it straight down your throat. No, don't choke. I know you could take it. That pussy was made to be breaking. I swear that your body be aching. No time to be wasting. I know that you waiting.
Pound game on us.
She said that she really wants love, but baby, let's keep it real. You just wanna fuck, girl, just keep it real.
I put the pound game on us.
I hope you don't think I'm a cuff. I know you know the deal. We just in it for the sex appeal.
I put the pound game on us.
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 I put the pound game.
She said that she really wants love, but baby, let's keep it real. You just wanna fuck, girl, just keep it real. She riding while her nails dig deep in my chest. Oh yeah, she's so blessed, don't caress. She could care less about a nigga like me. Just tryna relieve stress. She tryna get hers, I'm tryna get mine. There ain't no wasting time. Get to the bump in the grind, got her pouring it down like fine wine. Get her bustin' like a semi-automatic with her legs cock locked in it loaded. Feel her at the tip of the T while she at the tip of the D. Want me to leave that P wide open, throwing it back at a nigga, tryna see if I can catch that. Ass bounce like a high check, or catch that, match that. So live, you gon' use my name as a hashtag. How does that sound, love? Tear that shit from the ground up. Show you that I'm a hound dog, and that's how the pound does. Shuffle the face in the pillow, let off the screen. Filling you up with the D, let off the steam. Climax while you biting your lip. Foreplay while you biting this dick. Backwards while you riding this shit. Turn around, get a bite in your tits. I'm deep, got you biting your fist. That pop, I'm applying it fits. Got you right in the mix, I'm live, no assist. I slam dunk that ass, I'm a glass breaker. Hard temper tone, I'm a hard taker. Say she's ready for me, I'm a motherfucking beast.
Pound game on us.
She said that she really wants love, but baby, let's keep it real. You just wanna fuck, girl, just keep it real.
I put the pound game on us.
I hope you don't think I'm a cuff. I know you know the deal. We just in it for the sex appeal.
I put the pound game on us.
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 I put the pound game.
She said that she really wants love, but baby, let's keep it real. You just wanna fuck, girl, just keep it real.